students of class 5th. Here your math teacher Aarti Kalra is going to teach you chapter number 11, lines, angles and triangles. So you know what is point. Point is the representation of a dot. Okay. Then exact location and position it is going to be tell. Now it has no length, breadth and thickness, or we can use the capital letter to name the point. A, B, C are the example of some point. Lines. Line is a collection of points extended endlessly in both directions, usually along a straight path. It has no end point. It is represented by a double arrow showing that it can be extended endlessly in both the directions. Okay, so line AB and BA is written like this so that it is the straight line. A line has no definite length and cannot be measured. Line segment. But if we talk about line segment is a part of a line. It has a definite length and is marked by two endpoints. It is named by putting a bar. It is bar and two endpoint, that is dots are there. PQ, that is line segment. It is called line segment. Okay, now ray. What you know, sun rays. A ray is also a part of line. It has one endpoint and goes endlessly indefinitely in the other direction. A ray is represented by an arrow head on one side only. One side at the point and other side is a arrow. The ray CD can be written CD with the arrow with a point also. It's a symbol of ray. The length of a ray cannot be measured as it has no fixed length. A beam of light from a bulb or the sun can be compared to rays. Okay, now plane. A plane is a flat surface that can be extended endlessly in all the directions. If three or more points lie on the same line, then these points are said to be collinear, otherwise non-collinear points. Simple. So here we are going to do a recall exercise. In that, line segment is a part of a line. Just right here, part of a line. P-A-R-T. Ray has starting point. Ray has point, starting point. Okay. A line has no end point. Line segment has two end point. A ray is a part of a line. Okay. Now, all the lines in figure 1 lines are when lines are indefinitely, well, like A and B, C, D, E, F, and this is O, that is a point. Okay, you will write the names like this. Now draw the line segment. Line segment is having definite measurement. Mark a point X between M and N. Now draw a ray X and Y. Name the different rays contained in the line shown below. When in the line it is given, it is called collinear points. Okay. Now we are going to learn about lines also. Yes. Now we are going to do 11.1 exercise. Now distance between the parallel line is always, we are going to take out the parallel lines according to line chapter. So distance between the parallel line is always same. Two parallel lines never meet each other because they are parallel opposite to others. Two lines can intersect at 0 degree and only 1 point. Two intersecting lines when make an angle of 90 degree are called parallel lines. If degree is made 90 degree, so it implies that AB is parallel to BX. Likewise, we will do classification also. So here, when look at the given figure in the when we fill in the blanks, we see EF is the parallel to KL. EF and AB is intersect at O. AB is perpendicular to EF. BA and CD are the lines that are perpendicular to KL. AB and CD, EF and KL are two pair of parallel lines itself. 11.2 exercise is all about presenting angles. When two digits, two arrows or two line segments cross each other or meet in one end is called angle. So it is angle when it is two lines are meeting at one point, it is angle. So just right here, this is angle right here. This is not angle because here the gap is there. So here it is not angle. This is also not angle. This is an angle. Okay. Name the following angles. You have to name it. What you have to name it? You have to keep the point in between, like P. It is like the sign. Sign can be made like this. This is the sign of angle. And then you will write P, Q, R. Okay. And RQP also an angle like this. And here you will write name of every angles. Name all the angles formed in the given figure. So these are the angles that are formed in the given figure are, first of all you have to make the sign of angle. Okay, then MO. O will come in the bit on in between. MO, it should be in capital letter. MOP. Okay, then PON. Okay, then MON. Likewise, and just draw the sign of angle also here. Got it? Yes. Now, next is TPQ is an angle. SPQ is an angle. RPQ. Can you see? P is coming again and again. So it is like it is the angle. SPR is the angle. These are the four angles. Now they have completed. Now we will do vertex. Vertex is the corners and the arms are the sides that are called sides. So here name the vertex and the arms of for the following. If it is arced vertex, so O is the vertex. See, this is vertex. And BOA is B and O. BO. BO is arm and AO is also an arm. Likewise. Now FE is an arm and ED is also an arm, and E is the vertex when two lines are meeting together. PQ. PQ is the arm and QR is the arm. And what is the point? What is the vertex? That is Q. Now, observe the following adjoining figure and list the point which are interior. Interior means that are interior, that are inside. So they are J, O and C. What are exterior? That are outside the angle, that is D and B. D and B are the angles. Likewise, okay, now you should have protector, that is called D also, that is used to scale. It is like a scale for the angles. So here 11.3 exercise is all about the angles. We have to use protractor to take out the angles. Okay, it is acute angle. It is less than 90 degree. So it is acute. It is 90 degree. It is called 90 degree. And it is more than 90 degree. It is reflex. Then whatever is, it is reflex when it is more than 180. Okay. So here classify each of the following. 86 degree is less than 90. So it is acute angle. Okay. 90 degree is right angle. Just right here, right. 15 degree is acute. 130 degree. 130 degree is less than 180 and more than 90. So it is obtuse. This is obtuse angle. 270 degree is more than 180 and less than 360. So it is reflex. Okay. After that 179 is less than 180 and more than 90 degree. So it is obtuse. Okay. Now this is 180. This is called straight angle. Got it? Or this is simply 360 degree angle, that is called complete angle. Okay. Now using protractor and ruler, draw the following angles. You have to do it by yourself at home only. In a copy with protractor, you will do that. Now 11.4 exercise, in that vertex, sides and angles have to be tell here that Q and P are the sides, P and R is the side, Q sides. How many sides are there? So you just write here 3 sides are there, P and then Q, comma, Q and then R, then R and then P. Okay, vertex is P, Q and R. Angles are QPR, QPR, QRP and QRP and RQP or PQR. Okay. Sides are RT, comma, RS, comma, ST. Vertex are R, comma, T, comma, S. Angles are TSR, TRS, and then RST, RST. These are the angles. Okay. So we have done this sides, vertex and angle. Now, can you draw triangles with the following measurement? Give reason. It should be, the total should be 180. So see that 80 plus 110 is already 190. So it cannot be drawn. Just write down wrong. No, can't. 55 plus 65 is 100 and 112. 120. 55 and 65 will be 120. 120 and 50 will be 170. So it is less than 180. It cannot be. Here it can be because it is total sum number of all the angles are 180. Here it can be because 105, 35 and 40 sum is 180 likewise. In that also find the whether triangle can be formed and given sides or not. In that also you have to take out that two sides of that angle should be equal or not, then only you will get the answer that I have already given before. Now A angle is 36 and B angle is 73. So just add both the numbers and less it from 180. You will get the answer of C angle like this. Okay, one of the equal angle of an isosceles triangle is 55. Find the other angle. You know isosceles triangle about? In that isosceles triangle, two angles are equal. So it is 55, 55 is there. It means you have to add both the number, that is 110. And then what is going to be less in that? From 180 you will minus that, you will get 70. So other angle will be of 70 degree. Likewise, we have done our exercise number 11 point. Every exercise we have done in our 11th number.